Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to run ads on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. If you haven't already, you'll need to switch your Instagram account to a business or creator account to unlock the ability to boost posts and access analytics. Don't worry, switching is free and easy. Here's how to do it. Open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. After that, tap Switch to Professional Account. Choose whether you want to create a creator or business account. Select Creator if you're a public figure, influencer, or artist. Choose Business if you're a brand, organization, or sell products or services. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. Once you've switched to a professional account, select the post you want to boost. Look for the Promote button below the post. It might also say Boost Post. Clicking this button will launch you into the ad creation process for boosting your chosen post. Here, you can define your target audience, set a budget for your promotion, and choose the duration you want your post to be boosted for. Instagram will then take care of the rest, showcasing your post to a wider audience based on your chosen criteria. And there you have it. With this method, you can run ads on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.